Okay, and this issue is also occurring when I update internship status. Okay, so look at this. For this student, the internship status is no internship or the eligible. And when I try to update internship status, should the internship status of student is the populated in here or the no internship or eligible like that. For example, in the intersectional internship. Okay, I think for the eligible and not eligible, when I try to update internship status, this internship was populated in here, indicating the program has already internship status here, and also here, not eligible. But when I check for the student on internship, I tried to update the internship status. The status is not populated. The status before is not populated in here. So I think, as user, I think the internship doesn't have a status. Even talk, the internship status is already have status.